Caderaccia, en tant qu'artiste, est intervenu directement en agrafant et en réparant symboliquement. C'est une image, c'est pour nous faire réfléchir. Caderaccia, c'est un artiste qui travaille justement sur cette notion de réparation. Réparation des douleurs des individus, mais aussi des nations, des communautés qui ont été violentées par d'autres nations. Mais c'est pas évident de voir cette œuvre quand on entre tout de suite dans un musée. Alors souvent, c'est quand les gens reviennent. C'est après avoir visité, ils sont sensibles tout d'un coup à des nouvelles choses et ils voient ce qui se passe.
Tout le monde touche, mais sans savoir. Le travail des artistes visuels différents de la danse, nous, on travaille avec notre corps, des matières comme le métal.
How we do extractivism. Now we can also think the museum as a first place or an avant-gardist place of reparation, which is not something that we have thinking a lot, or we have always this sensation that is utopic, but the reparation towards the people from the south, but not only, always reparation of reparation in the sense of healing. For example, the dance in a way was the body was, whatever body was attacked, the free bodies were attacked by this coloniality, and the dance is one, like the guardians of a kind of intelligence. So we can also think that what we are doing is really a really concrete action of healing, in the sense of remembering the gestures that we are not able to do anymore.
So when it comes to voguing, there is a spiritual aspect of it, because you let your spirit, then of course there is technique, yes, but it's more your spirit that speaking, and you let your creativity speak for yourself.
But not thinking that we are creating this, but we are also copying from, from a kind of tradition that were not inside museums till few time, but now with us, or people that are doing a kind of work as us, we can invite to this this revisiting of behaviors that were not responsible of killing this work.